Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. Of course, we are back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And in this week's episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, I wanted to ask Marco the question, can you lose your Italian citizenship?
Italy started to allow people to have dual citizenship in 1992, which means that the voluntary acquisition of a foreign citizenship no longer caused the loss of Italian citizenship. So as of 1992, it's possible to hold dual or multiple citizenships if you are an Italian citizen. However, prior to that point, the voluntary acquisition of a foreign citizenship did cause the loss of Italian citizenship. And in fact, there were a lot of people that emigrated, for instance, to the US from Italy and who naturalized, so voluntarily acquired the US citizenship, and as a consequence of that, lost their Italian citizenship prior to 1992. And until very recently, it was necessary to reacquire Italian citizenship to reestablish residency in Italy for up to 1 year. But things changed in May when the Tajani decree was converted into law, and it became possible to reacquire Italian citizenship by making a self-declaration at the Italian consulate. But there is a deadline to make such a declaration, which is December the 31st of 2027. And if you do not meet that deadline, then you go back to the previous process, which requires that you establish your residency in Italy in order to reacquire your Italian citizenship that you had lost due to a naturalization in a foreign country prior to 1992. With all of that said, and provided that the naturalization in a foreign country no longer causes the loss of Italian citizenship, a lot of people have been wondering if the non-use of the Italian citizenship, meaning if you don't travel to Italy, if you don't renew your passport, if you don't take any action, if that can cause in any way the loss of Italian citizenship. And the answer is no. Italian citizenship does not expire if you don't use it, if you don't travel to Italy, if you don't keep your registration with the IRE active, or if you don't renew your passport. However, things may change due to a proposal that was made in the summer. The government is proposing that those who don't take any action to keep their citizenship alive, meaning they don't renew their passport, they don't register with the IRE in a 25-year span, they may lose their Italian citizenship. Of course, this is just a proposal. It's possible that it will never become a law, and therefore, as of right now, there is no need to worry about renewing your passport or using your Italian citizenship in any way. You're not going to lose it if you don't do anything. And a person will be able to maintain their citizenship even if, for instance, they don't have an active passport.
Well, thank you so much, Marco, for getting into this topic and answering this week's question. If Italian citizenship expires, if a person can lose their Italian citizenship. Of course, for more like this about Italian citizenship and Italian real estate, make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel as well as the audio-only podcasts. And of course, if you are seeking any assistance, feel free to visit ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com, where you can reach out to Marco and his team. Of course, we have been here for another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer. We've been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian from ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. And I am Rafael Di Furia. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we'll see you all next time. Thank you.
Thank you.